he adorable?
What's up? How we doing? We're just filming nothing. Oh. I messed up the shot.
Yeah, I got 9 pound cuff, but I let it go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Gross. Ugh. There it is.
You see him like starting to
Yeah,
go
he gets ready. I know. That's the best part.
Don't do it in your poop. Oh. Happy boy. You want to set some
Yeah, I'd like to
shower?
set some out here.
Yeah. Well, hop on. Let's go. Come on.
Such a baby.
So it's day 2 out on Moosehead Lake. We're up the lake near Northeast Cary. As usual, a little slow start to the morning. We enjoy drinking our coffee in the morning. He is having the time of his life. He slept wonderfully, all tucked in his own sleeping bag that Mama brought him. And he had a little bit of cusk with us last night. He got to eat some fish. He's on an all-fish diet anyway, so he does that just because he's happy. He's not itchy or anything, I promise. So I wanted to take this moment to let you guys know that I have started, he's going to keep doing that and you're just going to keep hearing it. So I've started creating my own in-house merchandise. When you're watching this video and you look down below and you see the like sweatshirts or crew necks or shirts down there, that's all off of the website Spring or Teespring, where I take my logos and put it on that apparel, and then when you guys order that, they're printing it and shipping it to you. So I really don't get to know the outcome of that, and I've had some feedback with stuff being not placed correctly. So I started thinking about it, and it's something I actually really enjoy, is just like creating logos. I bought myself a heat press, and I've been having so much fun with it. If you guys click on the link in the description down below, it's the first one. It says in-house merch in bear grease. That's my website, and I have an online store right on my website where you guys can purchase rendered bear fat soap, bear fat lip balm. I have some in my pocket right here. Bear grease lip balm, in tubes. Got a little tea tree oil in it. And then it has, I changed to the twist top so you can twist it down. I wanted to show you what I've been going with right now for apparel wise. So this is my crew neck that I have. This is a lighter gray. I also have dark gray and black hoodies. So it has my Girl from Maine logo on the front. I know not everyone wants to wear something that says a girl from Maine, so I've made a girl from, very small, and then Maine is big. You guys see it in the logo on my YouTube page. And then You're Adorable. I've kind of created like a logo slogan for the channel, and it's Live Life in the Woods. So I made a logo for it, which I love, and I put it on the back. So this is what they have on the back. You can see them better on the website, but basically I found the best looking log cabin that's going to resemble the home that we're building. So the log cabin on these shirts are very similar to what we're going to have. There's a couple differences in like windows, chimney placement, and front porch, but other than that, very similar. So to me, Live Life in the Woods, it's not like drop everything that you're doing and go build an off-grid cabin and live there. It's living your life outdoors. I mean, you can have your 9 to 5, you can have your, home in the city, you can have your home in the country, but just make sure you're getting outdoors. Like, this vast world was created for us to explore it and enjoy it. All of that is here for a reason, for us to live. So that was kind of where I was going with Live Life in the Woods, is get outside, enjoy it, soak it in. So if you guys are interested in any bear grease products or any of my merchandise, click on the link down below or go to agirlfrommaine.com. I'm also going to be coming out with dog bandanas. Come here. They're all orange, and they're not going to all have this. They're actually the first logo I've come out with. It has my slogan on it, but then it has, it looks like a lab. Everything looks like a lab holding a shed in its mouth. And I believe it says good dog, good dog. So those will be out soon. Hopefully they'll be out before I even post this video, so they could be there already. So go check it out. Let me know you guys' feedback. If you have any questions about anything at all, the best way to contact me is through that website. When you guys are messaging me on Instagram, when you guys are messaging me on Facebook, I'm not seeing that at all. I have that turned right off because of negative, useless comments. End of that speech. Let's get back to fishing.
We lost my binos again.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Oh my god. Stop doing that.
Wrapped on a log. Still coming, but wrapped on something.
What?
Wrapped on a log. Still pulling line out the other side of it.
Maybe he is the log.
No, he ain't the log. Oh, came off. Nope. He did. He's still on it. I can feel it rubbing on the log. He came off now. Now I can feel his head shakes. Tobe, I mean.
Oh,
How much tobe?
nice, hon.
22? 23?
Hold it up. 23?
Right there.
23.
23.
Nice. Daddy caught you a fish.
Yeah, we'll keep him. Good eater. Oh, map's gonna get a little tangled, but that's alright. Butte.
Oh, it'll be fun.
It'll be tasty.
Say that.
Be a little bit you can swim. At all. No, line's right here. Either strip me or the bait's still there. Feels like the bait's on. Bait's there. A little beat up.
Yeah.
Not swimming so strong no more, but he was lively. Little toke. He's right under the ice. Thank you, hon, for working my line. Oh my God, look at this. It just came off of my line.
Keenan!
Are you serious?
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Show that! We caught a togue with a radio.
He's telling all his buddies what's going on.
Oh, don't drop it down the hole. Take it off. Talk about. Oh, that's been down there for a while. That's
Now, it's 5 under 18? Toke.
yes.
I think
Please.
it's 5 under 18.
Oh my God, that is hilarious. Don't bite his get. she-manned that thing.
Huh?
I said I she-manned that thing.